Ever wondered if those protein shakes are worth the hype? Or do you really need protein? If yes, then how much? And what the hell is whey? In today's episode of the Whole Truth Academy, we will answer all of these questions, and by the end, you'll be a pro-teen, ready to make informed decisions like a pro. What is protein? You've probably heard that protein is for muscles, but it's so much more. It's the building blocks of your entire body, organs, tissues, hormones, you name it. Your hair and nails are mostly made of protein. Even our brain needs protein. It helps fuel focus and memory, making you a trivia champion. Isn't protein amazing? It makes your body feel as amazing as we feel when you hit that like button, so go ahead and smash it right away. And where is protein? Well, it's all around us. It's in our foods, quite commonly in meat, eggs, dairy, legumes, and even some veggies. But still, many of us are falling short on protein, and I'll speak about this later in the video. So let me take this first. How much protein do we really need? This paper by the Indian Council of Medical Research and the National Institute of Nutrition on nutrient requirements for Indians states that a healthy Indian adult should have 0.83 grams of protein per kg of body weight per day. Okay, let me take a pause here. Take out your calculators and comment below with your body weight and your recommended protein intake as per the given formula, which is body weight into 0.83. Now tell us, do you think you consume that much protein every day? For a few of you who share this with us, we might just have an interesting protein-filled goodie just for you. So, does a common Indian diet give us that much protein? The ICMR and NIN have given a reference point for Indian adult men and women who might be at, say, 65 kg weight for men and 55 for women. They will need to get about 54 grams and 45 grams of protein respectively every day. This is just for maintenance. If you want to put on muscle, you need a lot more. But as per the report, average Indians are not even reaching the maintenance levels in a day, leaving a large part of the country protein deficient. To give you some more context on how India compares to the world, look at this graph. India is doing far worse than sub-Saharan Africa in terms of protein intake. This shouldn't be too surprising considering that Indians on average eat a lot of carbs such as rice and flour and very less protein. Well, this is not to say that rice, flour, milk and fruits don't have protein, but the amount we get from them is too little, just not sufficient for our protein needs. A study done by Right to Protein, a global protein awareness campaign, found that 8 out of 10 urban Indian mothers believed that the average Indian diet consisting of rice, roti, dal, sabji would satiate the protein requirements of their children. It doesn't. And hence, from a very young age, we've been protein deficient. But it's never too late to wake up, and this is where whey protein can help. But wait, what is whey protein? Isn't it that thing used by gym bros? Isn't it like a drug? First, let's bust this myth. Whey protein is not equal to steroids or drugs. It's a protein derived from milk, specifically the liquid that separates during cheese production. It's popular because 1. It's a complete protein. It has all 9 essential amino acids our bodies can't make. 2. It's fast digesting, quickly absorbed, perfect for post-workout recovery. 3. It's convenient, comes in powder form, easily mixed into shakes, smoothies, or even baked goods. A single scoop of whey can provide you with 24 to 30 grams of protein depending on its form, and it's always mentioned on the pack. But wait. It's important to remember whey protein is a supplement, not a meal replacement. It's like a boost to your diet, not a magic potion. You still need to do the work and eat real food, even if you're taking whey protein powder. Focus on building a balanced, varied diet with whole foods, fruits, veggies, and whole grains. Use whey protein to fill in the protein gaps, not as your only source of food. So, let's revise what we've learned till now. What's protein? How much do we need? What's whey protein? Most importantly, whey is a supplement and not a meal replacement. Now, you might have even more questions. Can women use whey protein? Will whey protein have any side effects? How does one begin using protein? Well, you know we are here to answer all your questions. If there are any more, tell us in comments. So hit that bell icon, subscribe, because we will answer all of this in part 2 of this video.